What's up, YouTube? I'm on a roll tonight. I'm gonna do one more. This is my last one. I can stop when I want to. Lick video of the night, and it deals with half-step bends. Half-step bends are super cool. They're super awesome, and I think that they make you sound very tasteful and melodic when you use them, in a cool, melodic way. Anything can be melodic, obviously, Sam. You can do whatever, but half-step bends are very cool, and they're a very interesting part of the mix. So I'm going to show you a couple examples in my obsessive-compulsive key of B minor. Any questions, just let me know. I'm going to tab some of these out for you, but obviously, I'm just going to play a lot of examples, and I don't have time to tab everything out, so just shoot me an email if you have a problem with it. Okay. I happen to be a big fan of this one. Cheers, guys.